Hi guys, let's see how to use the weld, trim and intersect options in CorelDraw. So first I will draw a rectangle, circle, and now see uh, what is happening if we try various options. So first click an object, press the shift button and select the another object, okay, or just control A or select the two objects, so that only these options comes here on the top. So make sure both these objects are selected. Press an object, click an object, press shift button and select the other object, and you can see the weld option over here. So it combines both the object into single objects and fill a single color into the entire object. So we will see what will happen if you press the weld button. See, now the entire thing has been into one color and into one object. Okay, this is the weld button, weld option, weld. Okay, so if we select the black, then the yellow, and press the weld button, it will be, the entire thing will be yellow color, and vice versa. First select the yellow color, then the black color, then weld, it will, the entire object will be in black color. Control Z. Now the trim option. The trim option is used to cut this area. If I apply trim option, you see the yellow color which is overlapping to the black, it will be trimmed off, it will be cut off. So I am selecting the entire thing and apply trim. So you can see the circle shape is cut from this rectangle. Okay, so one more time, select the yellow, see, select the yellow, then select the black by pressing shift button, then click the trim. It is used for cut out a portion of any object by using the shape of another object. Alright, so you can see this is how the trim option works. And there is one, this is used for intersecting. So I will show what will happen. So this both layer, see, this is the intersection, this is the intersection. The circle intersect the rectangle over this part. So I have already pressed the intersection. One more time, intersect. So you can see over here the intersection is of separate file. It is not cutted or trimmed. It is as it is before. Only the intersected portion is cut out. Now I will show you how to minus this portion from this portion. Okay, this is there is simplify is similar to that trim option. I will show you once again. And front minus back and back minus front. See, an object will be minus from another object. So you can see the vectors come like this. It's a single vector, it's cutted from that portion. Show you one more time. Okay. I'm going to apply back minus front, and you can see that yellow portion has been minus from this black portion. Now regarding the simplify option, it is similar to the trim option. Trim overlapping areas among the objects. so it will trim overlapping areas. See, and there is one more option to get the boundaries. So if I put yellow on the corner of the black and this yellow on the corner of the black, I need a border, I need a boundary for the entire object. So I will select this thing and apply create boundary. Okay, and after that you can see this is how we create the boundary of overlapping areas. Right, now I will show you one more thing. I hope that will be also useful. File import, just to get an image. If I need to just overlap to get this only a certain portion, instead of cropping, you can just it's one of the simplified tool. If I need this area to cut, instead of cropping, yes, see, I have drawn a area where I need to cut without using the cut tool. Shift and press the image or select the entire thing and press the intersect button. Intersect. So there is a see, this is the use of intersect options. Okay, I hope everything is clear, and if you have any thing to ask, please let me know through the comment section, and please share and subscribe my channel for